Hello seniors, today I'm going to show you how to request transcripts through Naviance. You can see right here I'm on the home screen of Naviance and this is my demo student. What we're going to want to do is click on colleges I'm thinking about. That is a place where we had you add colleges that you were thinking about last spring when we met with you. So we'll click on that. And here we can see that I'm interested in Drake University and University of Nevada in Las Vegas. Both of these schools accept the Common Application. That's what the CA stands for. That is something where you can apply to multiple schools who accept the Common Application by doing one application. In this little video, I'm not going to go into any more detail about that. Many of you won't use the Common Application. Most of you will probably apply directly to the institution. So for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and click on University of Nevada, Las Vegas, and I'm going to move that to the application list. And here on this screen, it's going to ask you which application deadline do you prefer? Is it a regular decision? Well, it looks like they only accept the regular decision for the University of Nevada, Las Vegas. Some of you may see early action, early decision, things like that, but most of you will probably be applying the regular decision. The most important question that you must answer is right here. How will you submit your application? If you don't answer this question and continue with "I'm not sure yet," your transcript request will just be sitting there and we will not be able to deliver it. So you're going to click on that box and you can either apply via the Common App to this particular college or direct to the institution. And for this one, I'm going to put direct to the institution, and I'm also going to say I've already sent my application. We don't want to be requesting transcripts to colleges that we have not yet applied to. So add and request transcripts. What type of transcript are you requesting? I want my initial to go there, and I also want my final. Some colleges want mid-year as well. You can click that if you'd like, but you don't necessarily have to if your college doesn't need it. Your ACT and SAT scores, if you've taken those will be automatically on your transcript, but we'll go ahead and click that anyway, and making sure we're sending it to the University of Nevada, Las Vegas. Request and finish. And right here we can see University of Nevada, Las Vegas. We've requested the transcript. You can come back to Naviance and check how that transcript has been sent, or if it's been sent, it should say sent by the office, and you will need no further action.